Applicant AW3404IP, please tell me about yourself.
Hi ma'am, I am Michelle D. Cubico from Milagrosa, Alicia, Zamboanga, Sibugay, Philippines, 35 years old, college graduate, happily married to Fernando is Cubico. We already have 3 kids. Our eldest is 15 years old, second is 11 years old, and the youngest is 1 year and 3 months old. My work experience was August 2013 until August 2015 at United Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi. I serve 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children, ages 15 years old, 12 years old, and I am a tutor and focus to the youngest one who is 3 years old and diagnosed as autism. I bring him to school, I bring him to his therapist, and when we came home, I prepare his food. I am with him 24 hours. I teach him how to be independent, like how to put his shoes on, how to wear clothes, and how to use the bathroom. I teach him those things because according to my employer, the school and the therapist, that was my duties and responsibilities, and we need to help each other to train him to be independent in the future.
Why do you intend to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong, ma'am, because it has a good salary offer and I need to earn money for the future of my kids.
How was your relationship with your previous employer?
We are in good terms, ma'am, because I treat them as my family and they treat me also as their own family.
What are the duties and responsibilities as a domestic worker?
My duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper are cleaning the house, washing clothes, wash dishes, ironing, and taking care of the children.
What the parts of the house that needs to be cleaned most?
The parts of the house that need to be cleaned the most, ma'am, first is the kitchen. Very important because in this place we always use in preparing the food. Second is the bathroom. It should be always be clean.
What are the appliances that you can operate?
The appliances that I can operate are washing machine, electric heater, rice cooker, vacuum cleaner, iron, electric oven, electric blender, and meat grinder, and others.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
Yes, ma'am, I can cook Chinese food because I am very much willing to learn.
What is the first thing to do before you prepare your employer's food?
The first thing that I'm going to do when preparing my employer's food is to wash my hands every time and make sure that it is clean.
What are the good attitude traits that you can build to your future employer?
The attitude that I can build to treat my future employer are respectful, honest, understanding, and God-fearing.
What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please do hire me. I can assure you that I am a hardworking person, willing to work under pressure, and I am confident that my skills and experience can help you. Thank you.